Hello group, so we're on week 8. I've been trying to follow the discussions, and it's interesting, speaking of following discussions, it was brought up, I believe Cecile brought it up, and Nadine also brought it up, was how do you follow all the discussions in Blackboard? It was interesting to see that one suggestion was to copy and paste all the postings in Word, and that type of thing, because it can be overwhelming to see so many. Lately, I've been trying in one of my other classes just to change the top, like the heading when you reply, like put a different subject into the reply. That might help, others see what you're talking about. Though, as we can see, it can be overwhelming when you have 80 posts or something of the same topic. There's quite a bit going on there. Speaking of Blackboard, I know a few weeks ago we talked about Loom being used, and I believe it stated that we're going to try it this week. I'm pretty sure. So for that, some of you guys don't know, basically it's an online chat area, and what you do is you log in. Like, it's good if you try to get on there 10-15 minutes before class starts. That way you can set up your speakers and set up your mic. You can check your camera if you choose to use a camera. You don't need to. You can do that. And essentially you'll go onto the site and it'll show on one side, it'll show who's in the class and have everyone's names listed. There'll be like a white area where Amanda can choose to show like a PowerPoint presentation, or you can draw on the screen, and then below that there's an area where we can type questions and reply to each other that way. And I believe there's a button you press kind of like when you want to answer. Just like you raise your hand, I think is what it does. But anyway, so that way you know who's talking, so you give each other a chance to talk over each other. So I'm hoping that I think it's this week. So I'm hoping to have a chance to sit in on that, because it is a great way to exchange ideas and get answers quickly, which is sometimes holds you back here in the online format when you post something and wait a few days or possibly a few weeks to get an answer. But keeping with our readings and that, I just wanted to kind of ask your guys' opinion on, from one, Amanda had mentioned one of the important ideas from the reading was learning in groups, where it says students who work in groups appear to learn more and demonstrate better retention. So maybe you guys can share some examples of that. And specifically, it's not so much addressed here, but also I'm thinking with, is learning in groups, do you guys find you like it online or that type of stuff? So maybe share your thoughts like normal. It's great.